Hello everyone, welcome to Escape Beyond Ordinary. Today we are going to explore a historical place, a place where history is built on steel and steam. Isn't it great? Today we are stepping inside the California State Railroad Museum in Sacramento, where the golden era of trains comes to life. Let's explore the untold stories, locomotives, and the legacy that shaped America's railways history. This museum is built to honor the importance of the railroad and all the goods that it has done for the state of California, the local population, and the United States of America. Railroad meant life back in those days were very struggle for economy and the people. It was hard and dangerous to get to remote places, and trades were hard to do. You were exposed to robbers and thieves, and there was no secure and easy way to get to remote and distant places. Improvement in the railroad technology changed it all. And once the railroad was built, things were never the same again. Railroad meant a blossom, a new era for the United States of America and citizens as well. We need to pay a tribute for hardworking men and women that put tremendous effort in the process. Many immigrants participated in the development of the railroad, and they came from all over the world. Asia and Europe gave the biggest number of foreign workforce. People from Europe went across the ocean with a hope for a better future. This museum opened in 1976, but its origins are going way back in 1937, when a group of railroad enthusiasts formed the Pacific Coast chapter of the Railway and Locomotives Historical Society. They were railroad enthusiasts and they shared the same passion. Their goal was to open up a museum as a tribute to railroad and their importance to the entire nation. They donated 30 historic and significant locomotives and cars to the Cali Department of Parks and Recreation. The museum itself was finished in 1981 and the train service excursions began in 1984. There are 19 steam locomotives at display in the museum, and they are showing the development of the technology and the engines. These exhibits are not showing only about technology, trains, and railroads, but they are also showing how life was back in those days and how hard it was to work in the railroad development. It is full story about technology, history, society, and how life was back in those days. Collections of the locomotives is truly extensive, but not all of them are at the display entire time. Just selected few are displayed and the rest of them are under restoration, as the goal of the museum is to keep them in perfect shape for future generations. California State Railroad Museums offer a variety of programs for the kids. The museum is the place where engineering, industry, history, technology, and innovation are displayed, and it is a great place for kid entertainment. There is a huge selection of the railroad books, calendars, DVDs, and Blu rays, railway souvenirs, railroad china, and hundred of trains model that you can assemble on your own. I was mesmerized by watching all these little trains models. It was such a fantastic model. We really had a great time to exploring about railroad history. And now that's a wrap up time. It's now about to 5 p.m. If you are ever in the area, I definitely recommend checking this out. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of the blog. Thank you.